Okay, let's solve some more gas law problems. This will be an ideal gas law problem and a combined gas law problem. By placing a letter, the appropriate letter, indicating what each unit of data stands for, we should be able to see what formula is required. What's the temperature? So that means T equals something or other. Of 2 moles, that's our N. Of an ideal gas at 300 millimeters of mercury, we have to use liters, atmospheres, mole, and Kelvin. This is not atmospheres. There are 760 millimeters in an atmosphere, so it's under that. It's 0.4 atmospheres. Liters is good. We need to have the liters in liters, the volume in liters. And so we get, that's our V. Let's solve for T. P equals nRT over V. Therefore, T equals PV over RT. I'm sorry, PV over NR. Yes, that's right. Divide both sides by NR, leaving us with the pressure times the volume divided by N, which is 2 moles, and R, which is 0.0821. This will spit out the answer in Kelvin, 45.5 Kelvin. The most common error is that people do not use their SI units when they solve these problems. Okay, let's do another problem. Lots of data in this one. A gas has a temperature of 14 degrees Celsius. I know to add 273 to get my Kelvin temperature. And a volume of 4.5 liters. That's a V. Temperature goes up to 29. That's not much of an increase. It's only going to 302 Kelvin. And the pressure is doubled to 2 atmospheres. Oh, somebody hid the original pressure in there. It must have been 1 atmosphere. So I have both. What's the new volume? I have 5 unknowns, and I need the 6th, the new volume, V2. The only one with that many variables is the combined gas law. P1 V1 over T1 equals P2 V2 over T2. There's my 5 numbers. I like the units. I will rearrange first for V2 since that's what I'm solving for. And that means I want to take T2 and multiply by both sides, which means it goes on top. I want to get rid of P2, so I divide both sides by that, meaning it goes on the bottom. There it is rearranged. Plug them all in, write the units too, and you should see that everything cancels except volume. And the new volume is 2.37 liters. These are sample gas law problems. In this case, we got an ideal and combined gas law problem.